so that the line r vector equal I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus lambda 2 I cap plus j cap plus 4 k cap is parallel to the plane r vector dot I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap equal 1. We know that if a line r vector equal r1 vector plus lambda m vector is parallel to a plane r vector dot n vector equal d, then m vector dot n vector equal 0. Means we have to show that m vector dot n vector equal 0 given line r vector equal minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus lambda 2 I cap plus j cap plus 4 k cap. Then m vector is compare with this r1 plus lambda m vector is 2 I cap plus j cap 4 k cap. Given plane r vector dot I cap plus 2 j cap compare with r vector dot n vector equal d, we get n vector equal I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. Now we have m vector dot n vector equal value of m vector is 2 I cap plus j cap plus 4 k cap, and n vector is I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. 2 plus 2 minus 4 is 0. Then line is perpendicular, the line is parallel to the plane. Now if we want to find the distance between them, then suppose it is line, it is equation of plane, change it in Cartesian form, we get x plus 2y minus z minus 1 equal 0, and any point lie on the line is minus 1, 1, because I minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap is the position vector of a point which lie on given line. Then we have to find the distance of this point, or suppose it is line from the plane. We know that distance of a point from a plane is given by ax1 plus by1 plus c z1 plus d upon square root a square plus b square plus c square, where x1, y1, z1 are the given point and ax plus by plus cz plus d is the equation of plane. Then p equal ax1 means 1 into minus 1 plus by1 means 2 into 1 plus cz1 means minus 1 into 1 d by square root 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square. We get minus 1 and its mod value, because distance is always positive, means minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 by 4 6. then it is equal P equal 1 by root 6, and it is distance of the line from the plane. Now question number 12. Find the vector equation of a line passing through the point with position vector. We have to find the vector equation of a line which passes through point I cap, which passes through point 1, -2, 5, whose position vector are I cap, -2j cap plus 5k cap, and it is perpendicular to the plane r vector dot to I cap -3j cap minus k cap. Since line is perpendicular to the plane, then the direction of normal vector is parallel to the line. Line is perpendicular to the plane, normal vector is also perpendicular to the plane, then the line is parallel to normal vector, means the direction ratio of normal vector is proportional to direction ratio of line. Let the equation of line. X minus x1 by A equal y minus y1 by B equal z minus z1 by C. Put the value of x1, y1, z1. We get x minus 1 by A, y plus 2 by B, z minus 5 by C. Since line is perpendicular to the plane, then normal is parallel to the line. That is, direction ratio of normal vector is proportional to direction ratio of line. Now direction ratio of normal vector is given r 2, -3, -1, then direction ratio of -3, -1, then equation of line. Well, x minus 1 by value of A means 2, y plus 2 by value of B means direction ratio of line, which is -3, and z minus 5 by C means -1, and it is answer.